Hello everyone, hope you guys are happy and healthy. So, this is a vlog, and I'll be showing what I did on day one of my second year at MBA, because day one of first year I could not record everything, and even second year I don't know how much I'll be able to record, but yeah, I recorded every bits and pieces of my day. So, this is me going to my hometown after the internship. I got around like 5 days in between. So for 3 days I went to my home. So our classes were starting on 9th, and we were supposed to do our registration for term 4 on the very same day. So it was important to attend the 9th classes, and the registration process needed to be completed. So I returned back to college on 7th. However, my plan was to reach the college by 9 or 10 p.m. at night, but I had to come by train, and my train got late by 5 hours. So I reached the college at around 12 or 1 a.m. around in the night, and I got my keys for the new hostel, and I got the first floor. Now the task was to collect the cartons which we had kept before we left for our internship, and you can see how bad it was. Actually, we were allotted 4-5 storage rooms to keep our cartons, but there were so many storage boxes that to find our carton was a task, and this was my condition on this next day.
Life's all about balance, and real love takes practice. We know accidents happen, but
I had 3 classes today. Actually, initially I had 4, but one got rescheduled on Saturday. So today I had 3, and I had every day I have a morning class. Like, I have opted for all the morning classes because I am a morning person. I could go to classes in the morning, but again in the night it becomes a task for me. So I got ready, then went for breakfast. The breakfast was good. Then headed to the acad block, and could not shoot much in the class. So for hostel, I use these storage boxes to keep my skincare and small stuff so that it does not look cluttered. And I had like 3-4 cartons still to be unpacked, but then I decided to do it later because I was getting late. Yes, guys, I've organized both the boxes, and the rest of the boxes I am going to unpack later on, because neither I have time now nor the energy to do all of this. Also, here we need to do our registration on the first day of every term. So, since today is Monday, I need to go to the office for the registration, collect everything else. Books I have collected, but the compendiums and the cases for the classes. So yeah, see you guys later. I'll try to shoot more in between. So I'm planning to have my lunch, and first I'll go to the office and then lunch, and then if time permits back to the room or directly to the class. Let's see. Hello, bye. So I came back to room, took a little rest of like 10 minutes, and then again packed my bag for the next 2 classes. Here I'm saying something in the video, but the audio did not get record, so I could not do anything. I was done with these 2 classes at around 8 p.m. Then I went to the main gate to collect my parcels. I had few parcels coming for promotion. So yeah, I got the parcels, then went for dinner. Could not shoot the dinner because I was too hungry and forgot to shoot. Then went to the laundry for washing clothes, but by mistake I put a lot of detergent. And so my day ended with re-washing all the washed clothes again. I returned to the hostel and had few tasks to be completed before the next day classes, so did that. And finally, after working for like 1 hour, everything was done, and I finally slept. So yes, this was my day one. If you have any queries, guys, just pin it down in the comment section. See you in the next video. Bye, take care.